Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Ooh, why is my charts not up? Let me fix these charts. Give me 1 sec. Why is my... Oh, there you go. Yeah, why is it not showing the live charts? Okay, that's a little strange. Hold on, y'all. Let me see. Why is my charts not showing? Oh, there we go. We're live. We're live. Hey, I was about to say, guys, welcome in. Welcome in. Welcome in. All right, let's get started. Let's get started. All right, guys. First thing first. You already know what we gotta do. First things first. First things first. You gotta get that prayer in. All right. 1 John chapter 4 verse 7. Dear friends, let us love one another, for love comes from God. Everyone who loves has been born of God and knows God. Whoever does not love does not know God, because God is love. All right, guys, make sure you stand in that love. You spreading that word, right? We're gonna be real quick. Also, 1 John chapter 4 verse 18. There's no fear in love, but perfect love that drives out fear. Perfect love drives out fear because fear has to do with punishment. Remember, guys, when we fear, we're thinking about consequences. We're thinking about punishment. We're thinking about the wrong things. But if we in perfect love, this drives out fear. You know, this gets rid of fear. When you're in love, you're not thinking about nothing negative, right? We love because he first loved us. Whoever claims to love God yet hates a brother or sister is a liar. For whoever does not love their brother and sister whom they have seen cannot love God, whom they have not seen. And he has given us the command. Anyone who loves God must also love their brothers and their sisters, right? So remember, guys, we always got to spread that love, show love to others. Don't hate, don't envy, don't judge, you know? So make sure y'all doing the right thing, keeping that love in your heart, right? And remember, love drives out fear. So if you having fear, you having any anxiety, any stress, any depression, try to start off with some love and see how far that takes you, guys. I'm telling you, it's gonna take you far. So let's get started, y'all. We're gonna go ahead and check out these charts. Prayer, join church. Hey, for real, man. We do this morning. We gotta do a morning service, man. Got to spread that morning scripture, that morning word. So let's see. Let's look at these charts. I'm not gonna waste too much time, y'all. Let's go ahead and get into this chart. So I'm a little late. I'm 2 minutes late. My bad, y'all. I am 2 minutes late. So give me a little second to really look at what's going on. I still have these zones set from yesterday. So everything that's already charted, that was from yesterday, from yesterday's stream. And it's, hey, it's bouncing off it perfectly. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Y'all see that? Look, the previous day low getting tapped into. Bounced off that. We're coming out. Let me start from a daily, because you know that's how we do it. Let's start from a daily. All right, so look, we tapped into this daily fair value gap. Nice little fair value gap too. Daily fair value gap right here. Boom. I don't know, I thought I just saw something that interesting. Daily fair value gap, tapped into it, rejected off of it. Boom. Now we have look, previous day high, previous day low, come down to a 4 hour. We're breaking down, but we might come down shorter. If we continue to break this 30-minute, I can see a going short. If we continue to respect this 30-minute, I'm going long. I don't really have a true bias just yet, y'all. I don't have a really true bias just yet because I want to see what this market gonna do. We already started pushing down since last night, early this morning. See, as we've been coming down, look at this. So we've been grinding down lower. So I'm expecting us to either bounce at this 30-minute demand or break this 30-minute demand and continue to go shorter and to fill this imbalance at the lows. We got so much imbalance at the lows that we can fill. But it doesn't mean that it has to happen today. We also have a lot of news coming this week too, because we have some big stuff coming. FMOC. Do we have any big news? I don't really see any big news besides PMI at 9 o'clock. But tomorrow though, FMOC gonna be crazy. All right, y'all. So look, like I said before, we broke this previous day low. We rejected off of this previous day low. Hold on, give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. Let me fix this. Let me fix this screen real quick. All right, back to it. So look, so we rejected off this previous day low. We broke this 4 hour, which is above our heads. We broke this and reject that. Now we're pushing into this 30-minute demand zone. I don't know, guys. I'm thinking that maybe the shorts may come in the whole day. We're gonna see. But if we continue to respect this 30-minute demand zone, or respect this daily fair value gap below, we might continue to go higher. Because remember, the trend is still long. Even though it looks short, the trend is still long. That's what we gotta keep remembering. Looking at the higher time frames. The higher time frames is giving us the bias of the day. Even though the shorter time frame may look short, the bias of the higher time frames are longer. So we're gonna continue to stick to a longer bias, right? Unless we get some break of structure. Unless I see a change of character. If I see us breaking this right here, look at the 4 hours. So if I see that we break this block right here, I'm going short. But if we continue to reject off this block and continue to stay within this 30-minute demand, I'm going long. That's the bias. Market opens up in 15 more minutes, y'all. Yeah, Priv. Hey, Priv, do you have any, like, what you think, man? What's your suggestions on where the market may go today? I mean, look. Let me see. Hold on. Let me see if y'all looking. Look at this. We rejected off this previous day. I mean, this FVG, daily FVG. I mean, that's cool and all, but the thing is, we still long. Can we have a correction? Can we have a retracement going back down into these lows? Can we? I mean, we can, but at the same time, we're still hitting zones. We broke 1 4 hour. That's still, you know what I'm saying? I mean, that's good and all, but we got to see a true break of structure. I want to see a structure. I want to see this get broken. If I see this 19,751 level get broken, I'm going short. If it don't get broken, then we might move sideways. We might continue to move sideways. So we're going to see. The direction is bullish. I'm just waiting for a bullish setup, G. Keeping it simple until bias is invalid. For real. Facts. Y'all see what Prill saying in the chat? He still have a long bias. I mean, I like the shorts. Don't get me wrong. I would love to catch this imbalance. Love to. This imbalance look juicy. It's looking so good. But if it's not ready, it's not ready. And we still have 3 more days until this week is over with. So we're going to see. All right. So we're going to see. Market opens up in 15 more minutes, y'all. We're going to see. All right. Let's go. We're going to just try to, like, you know what I'm going to do? For the main part, I'm going to kind of, like, be quiet for a little bit and kind of, like, try to see if I can find a good setup. All right, let's see. 30-minute demand. We tap into this 30-minute, go down to a 15-minute. Can we push lower? Yeah, we could push lower. I think we could break this. Man, I ain't gonna lie. Everything, it's looking textbook today. We're gonna see, y'all. We're gonna try to keep it simple. Just like Priv said, keep it simple. Not too overthinking it. Look for zones. Look for some build up. Look for a setup. And then just take the setup. Commitment to the trade. That's how we're gonna do it. Commitment to the trade, right? If we lose today, we lose. If we win today, we win. I mean, shoot. As long as we stick to our rules, right? As long as we stick to our rules, we don't break our rules, we stay committed, we'll be alright. No matter if we go up or down. We are breaking down though, for sure. These shorts do look good though, I ain't gonna lie to you. Damn, I didn't even like, look, we didn't even break this structure on the 4 hour. I mean, I like this block being broken, but this is it right here. These blocks, I like these blocks better. But we didn't even break this. Even though we're coming down into this, we didn't break this in the last candle. We're gonna see. We are pushing into this 30-minute though. See if I can find any more zones that I could probably possibly play off of for a long. All right, so look. All right, so look, we got a 15-minute. My bad, my 15-minute. See what happens right here. 15-minute right here. Put a little line right there. Boom. 15-minute demand within that 30-minute demand zone. Wow. Just more confirmation. The more confirmation, the better the better we have for catching a trade. Push into that 15-minute. What else do we have? Do we have any like fair value gaps that we could be playing off of? All right, 5 minute. Let me go back to that 15 minute. I think I seen a see what happens right here. Give me a sec, y'all. Let me set some zones real quick. Okay. I'm not gonna do too much. I'm gonna just try to see what is bouncing, what is being respected and disrespected. I just want to see what is being mitigated. That's all. I like this 30 minute this better. Let me get rid of that. I like this better. Okay. Is my magnet on? Yeah, it's on. Alright, bet. Alright, bet. Market opens up in 12 more minutes. Nice respect. Yeah, we about to break. I like that. Nice rejection. Rejection. Look at the 30 minute. This is a 30 minute fair value gap. 30 minute fair value gap. Yo, this thing is really looking short. I ain't gonna lie to you. Goodness. Look at those them higher lows. I mean, on lower highs. Shoo. They just get straight to it. Look at it. Boom. Let me see if I can find a resistance. Would that be? I mean, this would be a nice resistance. Like going across like this. I like this. This is interesting. If we push back into this for a rejection, that'd be beautiful. Do I buy it? Continue wanting to go shorter? I don't know. Yeah, look at that. Ooh, smart money trade right there. Wow. Like I said, like but Priya said, if we get a break, then that invalidates the long. If we don't, then it is what it is. See how I got this daily fair value gap right here? Boom. We tapped into it, but we can still tap into it again. And we coming down. We just rejected with no top wick. That's crazy. Man, this market really trying to set up a lot of traps. I ain't gonna lie to you. It'll make you think that the market's going one way and then it'll start going another way for real. So I gotta be careful. Gotta be careful. Hold up. I don't know. Them longs looking good right now. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. Shorts was looking good, but hey, we getting that rejection. We're gonna see market opens up in 10 more minutes. 10 more minutes, y'all. Market opens up in 10 more minutes. And we will take our trade. I'm trying to see what happens right here. If my computer can stop lagging. $15-minute demand. I like that. This also gonna be like, you know what? Let me put another line right here. I like this right here too. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I like that too. I'm gonna just put that right there just in case as like an extra confirmation. We tap into that though. I'm gonna go back over here and see what happens. 5-minute. Yo, if we can get a bounce within this this block right here, we good to go. I just need to see rejection right here. If I see rejection right here and we continue to push lower, we're going shorter. For sure. Yeah, wow, we were really bouncing off that perfectly. For real. Nice bounce. Let me keep on looking. I'm trying to go on the lower time frame to see. The more confirmation, the better. The more confirmation, the better. Let me just add a little spot right here. Just a little something to kind of like. Let me see. I'm gonna call it. It's a fair value gap. That's what we're gonna do. Call it a fair value gap. Nothing too special. I'm gonna get rid of it if it ain't doing nothing. Drop down to a 2-minute. Ooh, nice rejection off that 2. Yo. Hey, let's see. These longs might can come in. These longs might come in if we don't break at open. We still got some imbalance to fill right here. All right, let me drop down to a 1 minute, and we're gonna stop there. We're gonna stop there. Come on, let's go. Keep this simple, y'all. Keep it simple. Keep it simple. All right. Come on, slide. All right, so we got more imbalance, more imbalance. All right. Forget that. All right, bet. All right, let's go back. Let's see what we got. So, 15-minute. So we don't have a 15-minute break, but we are rejecting off these zones beautifully. Like, I mean, look, beautifully rejecting off these zones. Rejection off the previous day low. Rejection off this 4-hour demand. Look at that rejection, beautiful rejection. Like, I mean, it literally tapped into it. Goodness, man. But now we're tapping into a 30-minute demand. I'm gonna show y'all that. We're tapping into this 30-minute, right? I gotta see clear respect. If this thing respects, I wanna see it shoot right back up. I wanna see it shoot back up. If it don't, then we're just gonna go short. But we gotta see though. Oh no. Because I'm still not buying the shorts until I see clear break of structure. At least break this. I mean, you could tap into it and do some like turtle soup. I don't care. Just break this, and I know the shorts are coming in. If it don't break this, and we continue to reject, and the sellers dry up, we're going long. But look how much the sellers are building up. Look at the buildup of the sellers. Look at that. See how they build? Look at these candles. They're getting bigger and bigger. See that? Hey, they don't look like they're drying up anytime soon, be honest with y'all. We're gonna see. Market opens up in 6 more minutes. We have news, PMI. It's probably light news at 9 o'clock. At 9 o'clock. What's good, everybody? Hey, everybody in the chat. What y'all thoughts? I know Priv already told me his thoughts. What y'all thoughts are? Let me know in the chat. What y'all thinking? We continue to shoot, go lower? Oh yeah, wow. Also rejection right here too, boom. Look at the rejection on this 30-minute. Nice rejection. Hey, we might can go shorter. I see the shorts. Let me see how many wicks is this? I mean, how many ticks is this? That's about 170. Wow. That's 40 points. Wow. Nice rejection. All right, we're going to see. Market opens up in 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes, market opens up, and we're going to take our trade. It's looking short. I ain't going to lie. It's looking short. Goodness. But I got to see a break. That's the only way. Wait a minute. Hey, let me look at TradingView. Let me look at TradingView real quick, so I can get way more in depth. Cause you know, Top Step don't really have a lot of time frames. But let me look at TradingView, and I'm also look at ES. Let me look at ES real quick, cause I feel like it's gonna give me better confirmation and confluence. Yo, we looking bearish. Oh my goodness. Hey, for real, yo, we got 33 minutes until this 4-hour candle prints too. Ooh, we looking bearish, y'all, for real. We looking bearish. All right, we got a 45-minute. Let me look. A 45-minute we might break off of. Let me see. Boom. 45-minute. Yo. Let me look at another time frame. 45-minute at 45-minute. Let me look at a 30-minute. So a 30-minute and a 45-minute are the same. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. All right, let me look at a 1 hour. Yo, so ES and Q are looking bearish right now. But at the same time, we gotta get a breaker structure. And I mean, we might get it fast, honestly. Okay. Okay. Bet. Dang, this looks so bearish. Oh my goodness. Like, really? Yo, this looking bearish. This looking bearish. This looking bearish. Oh my goodness. This looking bearish. Let's see. Look, this one I'm gonna do. This one I'm gonna do. If we do get a pump back to the longs, I'm gonna take a long, but I also might want to take a short too. Look, this is what I'm thinking. I'm thinking we might get this bounce at this zone, right? We might get this bounce. If we get this bounce at the zone, I'm gonna see about a long. But if we push lower, yo, we breaking. But if we can get a bounce maybe back into this 1 hour right here, look at this. We got a 1 hour demand, right? I mean 1 hour supply right here, boom, and a 1 hour fair value gap. I might take a move off of. Hey, for real, this is looking way too bearish. Let's go. 1 hour, boom, and we also got a 1 hour right here. I ain't gotta put no zone right there. It's quite. Oh, we also got a 30-minute. So you know what? Let me get rid of. You know what? Let me get rid of this. Invalid. Let me get rid of that. Let me get rid of that. I don't need that. We don't need none of that. It's already done. Because once it's broken, it's broken. What I gotta keep going back for? All right, boom. That's gone. All that's cleared up. We good right here. Let me see about this. This area is right here is where the area of interest. This is gonna be a strong level right here, y'all. CRT is bullish. CRT on what time frame? What time frame? Because CRT gonna be on any time frame. You could be CRT on daily. You could be CRT on 1 minute. CRT, which time frame? I got my coffee and my days invalidated. My coffee and my day. What? Nothing for me today, so I'm just chilling for the rest of the day. That's what's up, bro. Escape the Matrix says CRT is bullish. From what time frame? Because I don't see it. Candle range theory, where you at? I don't see you, candle. On what time frame so I can really get confirmation? Because I don't want to get faked out, you know? Everybody looking. All right, let's see. One hour fair value gap that we didn't tap into. We also got a 1 hour above our heads. Let me see about this. Uh, 1 hour, boom, boom, boom. Boom, bop, bing. Let's go. Right here too, we got another block. I mean, I would call this a 1 hour, but I call this a block. Right here, ooh, I like that. Ooh, I like that setup. I like that setup right here. If we do come back long and go short, my bias for trading invalidated is what I meant. My bad. Not placing anything today. Oh, okay, for sure. Look at that rejection. Wow. Market is open, y'all. Market is open. Let's go. Let's see what's up. What we got? Let's see. Let me look at a 5 minute. I'm not gonna look at a 1 minute just yet. Look at a 1 hour. I know 1 hour is kind of like trash now. 4 hours really where it's at. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. 4 hour and 30 minutes. Ooh, wow. Are we breaking? Rejection. I like it and I don't like it. Okay. I want to see what the guy was talking about. A bullish. Ooh, I like that. If we get to close above this, I'm going long. Not that hard though. Let's go. Depending. We are bouncing. Look at that zone. We bounced right off that zone. To start the day off with a prayer, I needed that. Hey, for real, you was in there? You saw that? Hey, you need that love. Gotta have that love. We're about to take our trade, y'all. I want to see a close. I'm not scared of these longs. These longs look really good, but at the same time, I want to see a close. That bounce is beautiful. Oh my goodness. We did get the close and we just pumping. But that's okay though. Bro, this thing just took off. Market barely been open. But that's okay though. Rejection, rejection, rejection. Nice rejection off this candle right here. Hey, yo, these longs might come in. Let's see. I'm gonna look for a retracement and go long. If we can get a nice retracement right here, let me see. Let me see about a long. Might do one mini. Let's see what we get. Let me look at a tick chart. Oh, heck nah. This thing's start getting old school on me. Come on, come back down. That was a nice, I ain't gonna lie, that was a nice little pump, but I'm not gonna just take that trade off that just because it pumped. I gotta get more confirmation. Alright. Okay. This might be the confirmation we needed. Let me see. Is this respect? On the 30 minute? Let's see. I mean on the 30-second? Nope. We're gonna see. 1 minute. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. We're gonna see. Alright, let's try. The buyers do look in control, but I don't like the price action. Goodness. I don't like the price action. I don't like the price action. It looks so volatile, but it doesn't look like real good price action. It just looks like just pump and dump. All right, I like that candle. Okay, I need to see more respect. Yup, gotta wait, gotta wait, gotta wait, gotta wait, gotta wait. I knew that was gonna happen. Wow, we're respecting this fair value gap though. I ain't gonna lie, this 30-second fair value gap, we're respecting the heck out of it. Oh, longs, I think. I'm going in. Put my stop right below for a loss of 140. I might add into this if we get a nice a nice pump. If we come back down, that's cool. I'm cool with that. I got 3 micros in. Oh, we in the key level. I'm at right here. Let's go. My stop. Right there. Can we get the pump? Ooh, I ain't like, ooh, there we go. Can we get the break? Can we get the break? Can we get the pump? Don't play with me. Come on, let's take off. There we go. Let's take off. Wow. That rejection was nasty. I'm gonna take off. I just scaled off. All right, we're down 180 on that, but I'm gonna still hold this trade. And if we continue to respect, then I'm going back in it. Can we get the ad? Come on, can we add? We're moving sideways. I'm adding more. Damn. Let's go. There we go. Pump. I'm taking out partials. We in 3 right now. Boom. Let's go. Up 364. All right, I'm gonna hold this trade. Dang, man. Woo. Let's go. Let's go. We did it. Hey. Little quick one, just in case, you know, they want to flip-flop and do a little drop or something, you know. Hey, I'm still going for that 1 hour fair value gap. I'm just letting you know I'm taking partials off of that 1 hour fair value gap because the way we was coming down like this, hey, that's alarming to me. That's alarming to me. I don't know. Let's go. We holding this trade, y'all, all the way through. All the way through. Let's get it. Let's get it. All that rejection so quick, man. All right, nice little rejection. Hopefully we don't come back down and like, bro, that'd be annoying. I'm not gonna lie. Am I the only one that get annoyed when this thing ready? Look, bro, damn. Stop playing with him. Can we get the bounce? Thank you. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Put my stop tight. I'm gonna put my stop tight. I'll take off, man. I don't like that rejection. All right, we're gonna keep it tight. We're gonna keep it tight. Let's let this run all the way to right here. Keep my stop tight, cause I don't like that. I don't like that candle. The reason why I'm not liking it, like the price action, man, these wicks are scary. It almost shows indecisiveness, like almost like people don't know which way to go. Even though it can still push long, I just don't like. I just don't like the buildup of it. This right here just kind of screamed to me. Yeah, we could shoot back down 100 points on you. I don't like that. It don't look. It don't look confident. It's still long, but it just doesn't look confident. It looks like, yeah, we'll push long and then we'll shoot short and then take you out. That's what it feel like. See what I'm saying? We'll push long and then we'll take you out. I don't like that. All right, so 2 minutes into this 5-minute closes. Can we push higher? We're gonna see. I think we could. Look at a 4-hour. I mean, come on, we tapped into that. But then again, keeping my tight stop, my stop tight. Keeping my stop tight. Man, these wicks are going crazy. Told y'all, people started adding right here. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. Look at these wicks. Look at this build up. This might be a nice. If we could respect this, I might add some more. Honestly, can we respect this? I might add. Ooh, I need to see a break. I mean, I need to see a respect. Come on, stop close. Ooh. Ooh, what are you doing? Come on, come on. Don't get. Ooh, that pop. I mean, look how scary. That's a nice pop, but at the same time, I gotta see. Hey. I gotta see the build up. I gotta see the build up. That's the only way I add more. Never mind. It's doing it. It's doing it. Nice. 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 Ooh, that's tough. That's tough. That's tough. That's tough. All right, let me look at a 5-minute. We got 20 seconds to this 5-minute closes. Man, we have some key levels for real. Let me see if we got any other like stuff I'm missing. Ooh, ugh. That was a ugly candle. Ew. Straight ugly candle. Alright. Are we breaking? Are we breaking this? Are we breaking this? Let's see. Then we are. Rejection right here. Rejection right here. I'm gonna add more right here, hopefully. I gotta see a pop. If it don't pop, taking out partials. Ooh, as soon as I take out as soon as I took out partials, it dropped on me. Bro, that's mean. That's mean. That's mean. Hey, that's mean. It's not even 9 o'clock yet. That's mean. That's mean. Yo, they're doing people dirty on here. They doing people dirty. Hey, they doing people dirty. I'm taking that's invalidated. They doing people dirty on here. Oh my goodness. All right, let me look at this right here. Fair value you got right here. We got the pump. Hey, this might be our chance to go back into the longs. Heck no, I need some better. 5-minute FEG. We're gonna risk some profits. We're gonna risk some profits. I gotta see that respect. I wanna see respect. Damn. Man, it's getting volatile. It's getting volatile, y'all. It's getting volatile. We are in some key levels. Cause look at how these wicks are, man. Dang. It's like it wanna bounce but don't wanna bounce. 12 minutes into this. You know what? I'm gonna sit on hands. We're gonna wait. We're gonna wait. If this might mean the dryers are selling up. I mean the sellers are buying drying up. We're gonna see. Oh, y'all didn't even see my profit thing. Hold on. My P&L is not even showing. My bad. My bad. Let me get this P&L right for y'all. There we go. "12 minutes until this candle dries up." We got 12 minutes until news too also. Hey, that was scary. I ain't gonna lie to you. I added 10 and I thought it was gonna pop. And they just faked everybody out. Let's turn this way because I want to see better. For sure. Let's get it, y'all. Let's get it. Hey, that drop was crazy. Are we breaking? That's the question. Let me try 3 right here. I want to see what happens right here. I'm gonna put my stop low before I lost 100. We got 30 seconds to this 5-minute closes. That was a mean ass candle. My goodness. All right, we breaking down. We're breaking down. We got that. That was a mean candle. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. That was a real mean candle. They wrong for that candle. I mean, yeah, that hurt. That broke my heart. That kind of broke my heart. Disrespectful. Give me a second. Let me put my phone in the charger, y'all. Put my phone in this charger. Gotta get a new charger. We are breaking down. All right, back to it. Back to it. Let's go. 5 minutes just printed. And are we gonna still break? Nah, man, that's crazy. Looks like we breaking, y'all. Looks like we breaking. Looks like we breaking. 9 minutes into this 4-hour prints. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. Ooh, we breaking. Big break. I should have kept those zones. That's what I should have did. Let me see, 1 hour right here. Let me put this back, cause I must have misread. That's what it was. I must have misread. 1 hour fair value gap. Probably was a good 30-minute. We breaking. Goodness. We're breaking. The market wanna go down. This market wanna go down. Down. Yeah. 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 Yeah, I need to look for a short. I need to look for a short. We might try to fill that imbalance. Hey, for real. I'm about to look for a short. This is looking really interesting. We're breaking. Did we break on no, but that's what's crazy. We didn't even break on none of the other markets. All right, let's see. What we got? What we got? What we got? Get rid of this. That's nonsense. Get rid of all of this. That's nonsense. All of these little lines, I'm getting rid of it. We still got this 15-minute. I'm getting rid of this. I'm getting rid of that. If we don't break this, man, hey, we going right back up. That's how I'm seeing it. But it looks like we're breaking. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. We're gonna get a new low. Can we get the break of structure? That's the question. Can we get the break? Look at a 30. A 30. Can we have a retest back onto this 15-minute and come back down? If we can get a retest, that's gonna be beautiful. All right, so look, this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna wait for a retest. I'm gonna wait for a retest because if we are breaking, I'm gonna wait for a retest. Maybe try to get into a trade right here and then go short. That's my plan. We doing pretty good. I can't be mad. We doing all right. We doing all right, y'all. We doing all right. We are breaking without no man. Where's the retracement at? Can you give us a retracement, please? No retracement? Pretty please? Please? Can we get a retracement? All right, 1 minute to the 5 minutes close. 6 minutes. So we got 6 minutes until all candles print. 6 minutes. 6 minutes until all candles print. When that happens, we taking. We going in. Look at these buyers. Look at these sellers. I mean, look at these sellers, y'all. Look at these sellers. They just picking up. Yo, hey, this is getting heavy. Look at the candles. Look how long the red candles are getting. Look how big they're getting. Each 4 hours is getting longer. We might break today for real. We might see a huge move down. Real talk. We're gonna see. Hey, damn, we broke. No, we didn't break yet. We didn't break yet. We still got a daily right here too. Ooh wee. Yo, this is crazy. All right, let me go back down to a 1 and see if we can get a retracement back and go up. Let's go. All right, the sellers are thinning out right here. Let's see. Did we break? Yeah, I think we did break. Let me get rid of this. Let me add this. Let me add this as a different color. Different color. So this is a daily right here. This is a daily FEG. See? Daily FEG. I'm just keeping it just for confluence. Like, you know, just say, hey, this is where we bounced at. Can we go shorter? I think we can. But also, I think we can go longer too. I'm just trying to get some more confirmation. Yo, these shorts looking good. My goodness. We broke this high, but we didn't get this high. Wow. Wow. Retracement. Back going long. Maybe. Oh, my goodness. Yo. Hey, I'm gonna look for a short. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I think I'm changing my bias. I'm changing my bias to the shorts. We got 3 more minutes until these candles on print. 3 more minutes, y'all. 3 more minutes. Let's see what we get. 3 more minutes. We retraced it. All right, bet. Coming back into this 15-minute. Let's see. 15-minute. See if we can get this. Let's see if we can get this. I don't want to take no trade until these candles close. That's the thing. I don't think I want to take a trade just yet. Once these candles close, I want to see what happens. Where it's going to close at. If we can close past the break, bro. If we don't close past that, I'm gonna show you. If we don't close past this low right here, once this 4 hour print, yo, we shooting right back up. I think we gonna shoot right back up. That's just my opinion. Unless we tap into this right here and bounce off this little line right here. But we're gonna see. But I'm thinking to take a quick scalp short to kind of cover this right here. To cover this 19697 level. Let me see if I can get a line right there real quick. Put a little line, a little red line right there. Maybe a red line. Yeah, there we go. All right, we got a red line right there just in case we want to bounce into that and tap into that. See right here. Ooh, we also got a 4 hour right here. Let me look at it. I'm just trying to get more confirmation before these candles print. Yo, hey, nah. Hey, this is about to be stupid. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. Here we go. All right, 1 minute, 30 seconds left. 1 minute, 30 seconds left until this 4 hour candle print. We gonna see. We gonna see. Ooh, okay. Let me look. Let me look at it again. So on the 30 minute, the last candle didn't pass the 30 minute, right? We just tapped into it and respected it. On the 15 minute too. Hey, we might get that big bounce. We're gonna see. The shorts might come in, but we're gonna see. We gotta see. Because we are building on a high time frame, we're making a higher low. On a lower time frame, we're making a lower high. We're gonna see. Could this be a lower high on a higher time frame and a lower low? We're gonna see. A higher low or lower high, I mean, whatever. We're gonna see. 30 seconds left. 30 seconds left. Just straight rejection off this line right here is crazy. Can we get the break? 20 seconds left. News is in literally 10 seconds. News is in 10 seconds. Here we go. We got PMI. Probably like a light PMI, nothing too crazy. Ooh, we didn't close. Wow. What we gonna do? Hey, them sellers looking strong though. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Them sellers looking strong. Heavy. Think I might take a short. I'm taking a short. Well, that probably was too early. Oh, that bounce was beautiful. You know what? I'm getting out this trade. I'm getting out this trade. I just realized the bounce on this daily was perfect. Perfect. Oh my goodness. All right, let's see. Ooh, this long looking good. Let me put a stop right below. All right, let's go. All right, so the shorts didn't come in. We're gonna see. Rejection on this 15-minute. We're gonna see. I'm gonna take partials. I'm gonna just take this out and then go back in if we do get a rejection. Because we are hitting in a key level. And we didn't break. Alright, so rejection on the 3-minute at the 15-minute. 5-minute, can we get a 5-minute rejection? Let's see. Nice bounce. Hey, you know what? I might take this long. I'm looking long, y'all. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. It's looking so good. Oh, I just need to see it. Need to see it fill this fair value gap right here. If it fills this fair value gap, I might get into a long. For real. See what happens right here. I need more confirmation. Hopefully we don't get no big. Hopefully we don't get no big old short. Alright, let's see what's up with this long. Let's take this long. Come on, stop below the low right here for 80 loss. See what happens right here. Probably get the respect. Nah, we getting it look like a rejection off the 15-minute. That looks scary. Can we get the pump? That was a big rejection. Oh, nice rejection. Crazy. Mm. Mm. Big rejection. Goodness. We'll take out some. Is this a rejection off the 15-minute? But no, it looked like we passed it and broke. That's the thing. It looks so good right here before. There we go. Let's get the pump. Can we pump higher? Come on, stop below this low. There we go. Take out partials. Now we down with 3. I'll take that. I'll take that. That was tough. I ain't gonna lie, that was tough. I just didn't like the price action. I didn't like the price action. Sometimes it tricks me up. That was tough. Nice little bounce too. Nice bounce. Goodness, beautiful bounce. All right, put my stop at break even. I'm not about to play with this. Put my stop at break even. Let's go. Whew. It was a little tricky. I ain't gonna lie. I like the bounce right here for sure. I like the bounce look. So we didn't break a structure. We didn't break this block at all. We bounced off this daily fair value gap perfectly. Look at that bounce, right? Also, not to mention, look at this bounce. Beautiful bounce right here too. That's double the bounce, right? Look at a 1 hour. Even more confirmation for a bounce, right? All right, so look. I come down again, go down to a 15-minute. Also, we just came for some liquidity. We really pretty much just came for liquidity grab and just came right back up. I get that, so I'm cool with that. It just right here started shaking me up. It started shaking me up right here because I didn't like, uh-oh, is my computer going off? Oh no. Yo, if my computer go off, just let me know. We holding this trade. Hey, we doing it. Let's go. Hold up. Hold up. Why my computer doing that? Why you doing that? Let's update this. Now you tripping, boy. Let's go. What you doing? It ain't showing my P&L. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. My P&L is acting crazy. Show my P&L. Let's go. Hey, good job to everybody that took that trade, because that was ooh, that was tricky. That was a tricky trade. We don't get no big drop. I'm about to take out some more partials. I'm about to take out a little bit more. If we can respect this area, if we respect this, I'ma stay in it. I pray we do. Yeah. New GTA 6 trailer drop. Oh yeah? You gonna get that? Tell me you gotta go get that. Let's go. Why is my P&L not showing? Let's go, man. Come on, show my P&L. Hey, thank God. I want to thank God. Thank God for this trade. Thank God. Priv knew the Priv. You drippy. Hey, I thought you was Priv for a second. Yes, sir. If this P&L can show, so I can show y'all where we at with it. I'm gonna take out partials right here. All right, just took out one partial. Boom. We got one runner. We're gonna let this thing run. I'm letting this run. Unless we do some crazy flunk right here at this 1 hour and then break. I mean, this 1 hour and then just drop out of nowhere. I don't know why my P&L not showing. We did that though. I ain't gonna lie. Praise God, we did that. That was a tough one. I ain't gonna lie. Come on, y'all. Show my P&L. Why you doing me like this? Why you do me this? There we go. Hey, we doing it. Hey, we did that. Y'all did that. Y'all did that. Hey, let's go. All right, can we push higher? That's the question. Can we push higher? We doing that on the 50K Express. All right, let's see what else we got. All right, so like I said, we're gonna just hold this runner. We're not gonna do anything extra. We're gonna hold this runner. Just let it be. I'm gonna get rid of all these little zones and stuff. Dang. I hope we get this close. Please get this close above. Please get this close above. We got 30 seconds to this 15-minute closes. And it ain't looking too high at all. I might get out this trade. The buy, oh yeah, I'm getting out. You know what? I'm gonna stay. If we get stopped out, we get stopped out. It is what it is, okay? Remember, we respect rules over here. We gotta respect our rules. It is what it is. Shorts want to come in so heavy. Crazy. We got one runner, y'all. So we with one runner right now. So we just gonna let this runner hold and keep running. Keep running. Runner, keep runner. Let's get it. We got a 5-minute right here. See, I don't like this, you know? Hey, this is the thing. I might add some more. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. Shoot. If we get the respect, I'm gonna add more. But this is a IFG. Hold up. For sure. Let me change the color of that to like blue or something. Alright, so look. We got a 5-minute inverse FVG and a 5-minute FVG. See what happens. Man, we're not even tapping into that. It says, heck no, you're not getting no clearance on that. Not happening. Hey, shout out to everybody in the chat sticking around. Shout out to everybody in the chat sticking around. All right. What else do we got? Yeah, like I said, we're just gonna let this run. If it doesn't come, hopefully it don't come back and just stop us out. And we can continue to push higher. Buyers look like they are in control, which I like. But I need to see a break. I want to see a break. Remember, y'all, follow y'all rules. Stay committed to your plan. That's the only way you're going to succeed in this market, okay? Remember that. Remember that. So look, we in this trade, right? We in this trade. And it kind of got a little shaky at the part where it was time to like get into the entry, but I scaled out, scaled back in because I believed in the trade. Remember this, we up 749 and we got one runner left, one micro running. You have to stay committed to your trade. If you don't stay committed to your trade, you won't see yourself being successful in trading. Because if you're gonna allow your emotions to play you out of the market, you're gonna find yourself missing out on good trades. So you have to stay committed to your trades, you know? My girl been telling me this all over and over again. Stay committed. Stay committed. Don't, even if you lose, just stay committed to those rules, because you can see yourself making a lot more and being a lot more successful by staying true to your rules and not breaking your rules. So me not breaking my rules, even though I was down maybe 130, down maybe 50, whatever it is, what I believed in the trade. I believed in the trade. I stuck to the rules. I stayed committed, knowing that it might get a little aggressive. And look, and I'm reaping the success of it. So that's the best thing about sticking to your trades. You see me, y'all seen me got shaky. Y'all seen when I got shaky. Y'all seen when I was like, okay, I need to scale out because it's starting to drop on me. But then what I'm saying is, I'm sorry, I just lost train of thought for a second. But when I saw that it was continuing to respect the direction that I wanted to go in, I went in heavy. I believed in the trade. I saw how much it costs to go heavy. I was willing to accept that risk, and the trade paid me out really well. So, like I said, guys, moral of the story is stay true to your rules, be committed, and you will be successful in trading. And sometimes, I ain't gonna lie. Sometimes I have shakeups. Don't get me wrong. I'm not perfect. I have times when I'm like trying to take a trade and the market just go opposite, and I get emotional off of it. But the more we focus on staying committed to the rules and not bending it, the better we're going to be at taking trades every single time. It doesn't matter if you lose. Look, here's the thing. It doesn't matter if you lost every single day. If you lost every single day, at least you stuck to your rules. You kept your wrist tight. But one day you're going to have a play that play you so well that you're gonna be your winners. Your small wins is going to outplay all your losses. You see what I'm saying? You can have 5 losing days, but have one good day, and it'll take away all those losses because you stuck to your rules. So make sure y'all stick to your rules, right? Make sure y'all stay committed. Stay committed. All right, we're still in this trade. I might bring it up higher. All right, bringing my stop higher. Maybe. What the? Stay committed. Yes, sir. Stay committed, y'all. Don't worry about the failure. Y'all see me on my last 2 days was not doing so hot. Not doing so hot. And look, I stayed committed to the trade I saw. I was scared. At first, I thought the shorts were going to come in. But I saw, you know what? I see the longs. I got to take this long. No matter if it looks aggressive, I got to stay committed to this trade. Even when I was risking almost close to 2 minis on this account. Because you're not supposed to be risking so much on these accounts at all. Because you just, imagine you buy the account, right? Imagine you work so hard to pass the combine. You worked hard, you paid $50, $20, whatever for the combine, right? You finally passed the combine. You pay for your PA, which is like $150, and then guess what? It blows. You would have wished you would have stayed committed to your rules and just losing a little bit than blowing the whole account. So it's always good to stay committed to the rules, right? Stay committed to the rules because you don't want to restart that same process all over again. And that's a headache. Imagine restarting the whole process over again and paying for it all over again. Lose the 300, lose the 500, accept the loss, stay committed, and you'll do good in this market, right? Every single time. Man, oh my goodness, I've done that too many times. I can show y'all the receipts. I can show y'all the payment history. Goodness, man. It hurts. Not just thinking about it, it hurts. It hurts so much to know that we're starting over. It's a headache. That has to be the most oppressive thing ever, is we're starting over. But if you stay committed, you ain't got to worry about that. And my girl taught me that, by the way. Shout out to my girl. Shout out to my wife. She taught me those those rules. Man, we just pumping. My goodness. But look, hey, I like being committed, but I also like to take out. I'm about to take out. It was nice. I'm out. I'm out for the day. I'm locking out. We locking out and we're done. It was fun, y'all. Shout out to everybody that watched and stayed in the chat and stay committed. Right? Y'all about to see the new P&L. New P&L. We up 9:51 for the day. Hey, it was fun, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. I enjoyed myself. I pray that y'all learned something. Y'all took some advice. I mean, myself, I took some advice. But you already know how I like to end my streams. I like to get that word out. Let's get it. 1 John chapter 4, verse 7. Dear friends, let us love one another. For love comes from God. Everyone who loves has been born of God and knows God. Whoever does not love does not know God, because God is love. Okay? Remember that. Keep love in your heart. Remember to always love. You don't want to have hatred in your heart. You know, your hatred comes from so many places of past. Let the past go. Keep staying focused. Keep moving on. That's what we're going to do. We're going to keep focused and we're going to stay strong. All right? 1 John chapter 4, verse 18. There is no fear in love. When you have no fear, you have love, right? But if you do have fear, try to overcome it with love. But perfect love drives out fear, because fear has to do with punishment. The one who fears is not made perfect in love. Don't have fear, guys. Don't fear in your heart. Don't have anxiety, depression. If you do, try to find love within that, you know? Ask God for deliverance. Ask God for clarity, so he can have you have better understanding and discernment on how to love and how to properly do the right thing, okay? All right, let me get back to it. We love because he loved us first. We love because God loved us first. Whoever claims to love God yet hates a brother or sister is a liar. Don't hate your brothers and sisters, all right? If you're going to follow God and you're going to love God, God tells you and commands you to love your brothers and sisters, right? All right? For whoever does not love their brothers and sisters whom they have seen cannot love God whom they have not seen. So if you love God and you love calling on God for which you haven't seen God, how you can love God but you hate your brothers that you see every day? You got to love them. Love them through their flaws. Love them through their heartbreaks. Love them through the pain. Love them for it. Because love is going to drive out fear and drive out hate. Love always is powerful. Remember that, guys. It's powerful. Love is a powerful tool. Use it. And he has given us this commandment. Anyone who loves God must also love their brothers and sisters. Please, guys. God bless y'all. I pray y'all have a good day. And that's the end of the stream. We up.